To replace the ServeRAID adapter and storage book board assembly,
install the adapters. Insert the storage book board assembly halfway into the storage book to allow room to reconnect some cables. The cables connected to the storage book board assembly are SAS cable, hot swap drive backplane assembly cable, LED panel cable and thermistor, LCD display panel cable, USB and video cable. Slide the board assembly down until it is seated firmly in place. Align the storage book with the I/O bay on the server and slide it into the server. Rotate the cam handle on the storage book all the way up and press it into the server until it locks into place.